If something has gone missing from your computer, you should start looking for it immediately. Your time is limited to restore deleted items on your computer. Files can become overwritten and permanently deleted within days or weeks after deletion. Follow these instructions to restore deleted or missing items on your computer. Check your recycle bin. To look for your missing item in the recycle bin, left-click on the Windows search box and type Recycle Bin. Left-click on the Recycle Bin option. If you do not see the Windows search box, you can right-click on the Start menu icon and left-click on Search. Restore your found item. The Recycle Bin window will open. If your missing item is found, follow these additional steps. Right-click on the item you would like to restore to display a hidden drop-down menu. Left-click on the Restore option. Your missing item will be moved back to its original location. Use the search feature to locate a missing item. To search for your missing item, left-click on the Windows search box and type the name of your missing item. If your missing item is found, follow these additional steps. Right-click on the item you are looking for to display a hidden drop-down menu. Left-click on the Open File Location option, to open the folder where the item is saved. Use the File Explorer to locate a missing item. Confirm that the item you are looking for has not been accidentally moved to another folder. Open File Explorer using a keyboard combination shortcut. Press the Windows key plus the E key on your keyboard. Navigate to the main folder where the item you are looking for was originally saved in. For example, if the item you are looking for was a Microsoft Word document saved in a subfolder of your Documents folder, navigate to your main Documents folder. Left-click in the search field, type the full or partial name of the item you are looking for, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Check the results. Check your search results for the missing item. The example shows that the search results are displayed. Congratulations! You successfully restored deleted or missing items on your computer. If you are having problems, please contact the help desk by phone, email, or by using our support chat service.